In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters and effects to your Google Meet sessions. Google Meet is a fantastic platform for video calls and meetings, offering a range of features that enhance your digital communication. Recently, they've added some fun and creative ways to make your meetings more engaging, and one of them is through filters and effects. So, let's jump right in and learn how to add a little flair to your calls. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head to Google Meet. You can easily do this by typing meet.google.com into the address bar. Once you're on the page, you'll be greeted with the familiar interface. The great thing about Google Meet is its simplicity and ease of use, which we'll take advantage of to get started on adding those interesting effects. Next, look for the New Meeting button on the homepage. This will allow you to create a new meeting instantly. Click on this button and you'll be given a few options. But what we want to do is choose Start an Instant Meeting. This option will bring you straight into a call where you can access all the features and functions we need to explore. Once you're in the meeting room, you should see yourself on the screen and some options at the bottom. Here, you'll notice a three-dot menu icon, commonly referred to as the More Options menu. Click on this to expand it. This menu is where Google Meet hides a lot of its powerful tools, so it's always worth a quick look when you need advanced settings. When the menu opens, you'll find Backgrounds and Effects. Click on this option and a sidebar will slide in from the right. Here you can change your background, blur it, and more, but for now, we're focused on adding those interactive and fun filters. Within this menu, you should be able to see a Filters tab. Clicking on filters will present you with a wonderful array of options, from fun effects like cartoon filters to more subtle enhancements that can change the entire vibe of your video. Take a moment to explore the available filters. Many of these can bring some humor or creativity into meetings, making them great for casual gatherings or team building exercises. Now all that's left is to select your favorite filter. Once you've found one that suits your mood or the tone you want to convey, just click on it to apply. You'll notice the change immediately on your video feed. Feel free to switch between different filters until you find the perfect one, keeping in mind the context of your meeting and what might be most appropriate. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've successfully added a filter to your Google Meet session. Have fun experimenting and letting your personality shine through in your meetings. This feature is great for lightening the mood, fostering creativity, and making virtual interactions more memorable. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you bring a little more fun to your Google Meet experiences.